But yeah, it looks nice. I'm flying around right now at about 50% throttle. It's pretty speedy. Yeah, that is pretty speedy. I'm between 45 and 50% throttle. Holy cow. Well, I don't know what kind of flight time I'm going to get out of it, but it certainly looks like I'm getting as much power out of it. All right, let's come through here. Let's go vertical with it and see what it does. Oh, heck. Man, that might even be better performance than what I was getting out of the 3.8 by 3. That thing was just going to keep going, guys. I've got the FlyBear SR-72 Darkstar out here. I have a new prop on it. It is a Gemfan 3052 3-blade prop. So I want to see what kind of performance I get out of that prop and what kind of flight time. I'm hoping that it will match that 3.8 by 3 prop that I'd been flying it with. I just got these props delivered. This is the prop that I wanted to test on it to begin with. Launching. Holy cow, that's got power. All right. I think the wind has shifted on me. I'm gonna go one more circuit, come in from the other direction. All right, let's see here. Oh! I always seem to pull in too much elevator when I'm landing. I don't know why, but I do. It's hard for me to get used to landing this one. I don't know why, but it is. All right, so that Gemfan 3052 3-blade prop provides outstanding power on this plane. So it looks like I'm gonna get a 6-minute flight out of it, maybe a 6.5-minute flight out of it. I think that's where I was before. So it looks like either that 3.8x3 2-blade prop or the Gemfan 3052 3-blade prop. I think that the performance and the amount of flight time look almost identical, just almost identical. But the Gemfan 3052 3-blade prop is easy to find, and it's readily available, and I'll have a link to it in the show notes. I'll try to remember to put a link to the LIPOs that I'm using too. But yeah, so I used that prop on 3 different airframes, and I used those LIPOs in 4 different airframes. So it's working out really, really well. I'm loving this little airframe. It's just a blast. So anyway, that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.